Me.
In this video, we'll test several styles where hyperrealism makes all the difference. Product ads, sitcom videos, vlog style, cinematic scenes, continuous take, comic scenes, and a result comparison test between the two versions of Seedance. Let's start with product commercials. This is one of the main styles where realism cannot fail. If the product looks even slightly different, it can cause major problems. That's why we'll see if this new version can be consistent in this area, creating a commercial for both a fictional product and a real one. The fictional product will be this Flashboards coffee. I would love to try that. I'll attach just this image, mine to be the coffee seller, and this prompt. Keep in mind that all the prompts I use in this video will be available on Flashboards for you to simply copy and paste. Let's see the result.
You know I ordered a water, right?
Enjoy the masterpiece. Next!
Flashboards coffee. Not what you ordered, exactly what you needed.
Okay, this coffee would definitely be a sales success. We had a great result, very consistent with the product we attached and very dynamic in scene variation. But now let's move on to a more complex test, a real product with many details that cannot be distorted. To ensure maximum consistency, I attach these images, each showing a different angle and detail of the watch. This will be the prompt. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, great result. Besides being very consistent in every detail, the watch movements turned out really interesting. Nothing artificial, looking like a standard 3D commercial from the luxury watch market.
But realism doesn't only fit when the subject is serious. You can use it in lighter situations too, like a TV sitcom. Not looking artificial makes all the difference.
Guys, he's talking to himself again.
In a minute, he's gonna say, "See you in the next video," and go to sleep. Just ignore him.
Okay, I'm sure you can have a lot of fun with this video style. Sitcom is a format widely known worldwide because of several famous series, such as Friends, The Office, and many others. Even though it involves exaggerated and funny scenes, realism is very important. To test it in practice, I'll use this prompt, where I'll be the main character trying to be an electrician. Let's see the result.
Step aside. I'm basically a certified electrician.
Basically?
Okay. Plan B.
There was a plan A?
Which one of you geniuses killed the power? I was mid-curl!
Hi, Iro, certified electrician.
Okay, pretty cool. Let's test one more prompt. This time with me participating in a serious and important interview. Let's see how it turned out.
Absolutely, sir. Discipline is my middle name. That's our in-house logistics department. We take cleanliness very seriously here.
Deserve change! No! I am begging you!
Mr. Yarrow, you're hired. I've never seen anyone lie that smoothly under pressure.
I could easily watch a series in this style made with AI. The dynamism of each scene, the characters' performances, and the synchronization of the laughs at the right moment make everything look like a real series.
Another style people love on social media is the classic vlog, where you get to follow people doing all kinds of different things in their daily life. But of course, everything has to look real.
To make a realistic vlog with Seedance is quite simple. We just need to define an interesting idea to watch. Since I've already shown a travel vlog in another tutorial, let's test some more satisfying ideas to watch, starting with this prompt. Let's see the result.
It's raining. Studio night. Come sit.
One bowl. That's the plan. Out this part.
Walls begin to rise. Breathe with it. Glistening slip streams down and tote it. Almost. Almost.
Off. Clear. Thank you.
Signed.
One bowl. Worth it. Good night.
Extremely satisfying. This is a type of video with great viral potential on TikTok. Many profiles work exclusively with this video style. Another very viral and satisfying style is food preparation. You've definitely stopped to watch something like this. To create something in this style, you can follow this prompt structure and ask Claude to change the food. I chose a pasta preparation from scratch. Let's see how it turned out.
It's raining. Nothing to do. So, pasta. Flour, eggs. That's the whole list. Slowly, or it goes everywhere. Ask me how I know. There's flour in places flour should not be. You should see the light through it. That's when you stop. Look at that. I made that with my hands. 2 minutes to cook, 2 hours to make. Worth it. Okay. That's my Sunday. Bye.
Very good. Dynamic, realistic, and very satisfying to watch.
In this style, you can exaggerate all you want, but the realism is non-negotiable. Cinematic scenes demand it. Right, buddy? Hey, look out, look forward, but it's too late!
This is without a doubt one of the most beloved styles in audiovisual. What you can create is limitless. In this new version of Seedance, this POV video style with the dragon has gone very viral. This is the prompt structure that the main creators are using, such as this profile I found on X. Let's see the result. Okay, this dragon is not as clumsy as mine. Great result.
Everyone knows one of the big highlights of this new version is its new duration capability, and that's great for continuous scenes with no interruptions. Hey, could you open this for me?
Okay, we have to agree that this new duration is incredible. And even more incredible is seeing what people are already doing with it. In the previous tutorial, I created a 180 seconds mini film with just one prompt, but based on what I've tested so far, working with 30 seconds is much more precise. The prompt I'll use this time is completely inspired by this profile on X. I recommend you check it out. He's truly a great prompt creator. Let's see the result. Impressive, extremely consistent, continuous, and realistic. I'm sure you've already watched a film where this type of scene happened. A very interesting point. This new version works very well with text added in the video, which was a major problem in the previous version, but only with what is clearly specified in the prompt. Outside of that, distortion is still very much present. But one thing I can guarantee you, this text is not distorted. Flashboards is offering 10% off on your first subscription and top-up. The coupon code is FLASH10. Don't miss this opportunity. The link is in the description.
Now let's move on to a style I really love. Exaggerated comedic scenes.
Here's the second breakaway board you asked for. I took too long, didn't I?
Yes, realism can be quite painful depending on your idea. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know very well how much I enjoy this video style. As exaggerated as it is, the more realistic and unexpected, the funnier it gets. That's why let's take advantage of this fighter version of me to face a kung fu master. Can you imagine what's going to come out of this? Let's see the result.
3, 2, 1. Begin!
I thought the fight started. Why was this old man bowing?
Okay, I apologize for that, but I'm a little impatient. Let's test one more prompt. This time, a great salesman selling a great house.
Good afternoon. Today I'm showing you this house for sale. One word, perfect. Come on, let's see this beauty. Little door issue, we'll fix that. Now tell me this isn't a huge, beautiful kitchen. And here's our bathroom, bright, spacious. And here's our bedroom, stylish, bright, spacious. Look at this bedroom, tons of character, absolutely gorgeous.
I think this time, the exaggeration was too much. Good thing it wasn't me selling this time. To wrap things up, let's make some result comparisons between the two versions. For this, I selected some different videos and prompts to compare image, audio, consistency, dynamism, and the smallest possible details, to notice if one truly stands out more.
I can see it's already getting a little harder for you to stay stable. And what's going on with your blonde? Things getting a little sad over there?
It's none of your business!
Oh, how is it not my business? The paradise scenarios depend on your condition.
I can see it's already getting a little harder for you to stay stable. And what's going on with your blonde? Things getting a little sad over there?
That's none of your business.
Oh, how is it not my business? The paradise scenarios depend on your condition.
7 minutes until session start. Stabilize the environment.
Yeah, I know.
7 minutes until session start. Stabilize the environment.
Yeah, I know. Prediction.
Great results, right? This time, I'll let you decide which one stood out the most positively. Leave it in the comments. I'm excited to hear your opinion.
Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.